I love to find these vintage pieces. They're so full of character and just beautiful. I never pass these up. This one was in great shape. Few scratches here and there, but that is no big deal. I removed the hardware and cleaned the piece first with white lightning off the camera. For my base color, I'm using a gravel road. It's a beautiful shade of gray. It is going to be my undercolor, so I won't need it everywhere. We're going to layer today. Here is where I added my base color. It will make more sense as we move along. Now for my second color, French linen. I love French linen and I haven't used it in such a long time. So what I'm going to do with this color is fill in the empty spaces with fresh paint. And once the brush has unloaded lots of paint, I will dry brush over my base color. You have to understand the basics of dry brushing for this step. If you don't, I will link a dry brushing workshop video in the description. Now, how much you want to cover your base color, it's totally up to you. A lot of people say, why not just dry brush dark gray over your light gray? Well, we will do some of that, but if you want those deep layers, then this is the way to go. Now we can add a second coat to get solid coverage where we need it. Then I'm going to go back to my base color and do some more dry brushing. I did notice my brush was all over the place, which means it was time to cut it. You can just throw this away since they're so cheap, but I hate wasting materials. Like, they're still good. I can still use this for a few projects. There is a lot of back and forth during this process. Take your time and get it to look how you want it. There is no hurry here. Like, take your time, sit down, make yourself comfortable and dry brush until you don't want to dry brush anymore. Now it was just a matter of doing that to the entire piece. You can create some incredible depth just dry brushing 2 shades of gray. I love dry brushing, it's my favorite. You guys know that. I just love dry brushing. I haven't dry brushed in such a long time that I thought I forgot it, but no, you cannot forget this. For the next part, I wanted to experiment with a stencil and Dixie Belle new product, Gemstone Mousse. But before we do that, let's make sure to protect the piece first. I'm also going to use this big stencil as my design. This mousse is very pigmented and make sure to unload before you apply it onto your stencil. I really love it. It's so beautiful, gorgeous, pigmented. Oh my god, yes, that is so gorgeous. I wasn't expecting it to be this gorgeous. So I continue to add wax and stencil to the piece in sections. There was no good way to do the doors, so I had to hold it in place. That can be dangerous. You can mess up everything, but it's okay. It is so nice, I have to admit, I'm loving these new products. I also added more mousse around the details of the buffet. This is for all my silver lovers out there. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a gold girl. But I had to do peace for you as well. Like, here it is, finally. I finished doing that to the buffet and moved to the hardware. I decided to use some Big Mama's butter to add some moisture back into the wood. I already added some to the side, you can see the difference. This wax can really help bring that old wood back to life, and it will make your pieces smell amazing. I also decided to add some clear coat to the top for even more protection. This is not really necessary, but sometimes I just like to protect tops extra, and something told me add extra protection to this one. And then it was time to add the hardware back on and see the final piece all put together. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is making me question myself about me not wanting to use silver. Like, girl, what's wrong with you? Look at this beauty. Also, I really love these old vintage pieces. They're just so glamorous and it's so easy to make them pretty. Even Duke was like, good job, mom, I'll pose for the gram for you. Even Duke was posing for me and he was telling me I did a great job. So, I think I did. What do you guys think? I really had fun creating this piece. It was so fun, easy and quick. I used barely any paint, and thank you Dixie Belle for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye everybody! There you go, guys, you got your silver piece, finally! Da 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 da! It's been like forever, sorry. I love you all, bye.